Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, Virgos, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that. Before that, we will start with these cards. We have Six of Spheres, Knight of Suns in reverse, and Fortune's Wheel. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your career situation or in this relationship. So in your circumstance today, you are helping people, maybe financially or with your guidance, or someone is helping you maybe today, and you are really happy for way things are. Happy that you are in that position helping others and you feel really satisfied and content because of the way things are going in your life today. So this helping nature of yours, you feel really happy for having it. And maybe for some of you, your current situation may change, guys. Maybe there are people also whom you need to be really thankful about for your present success or your present situation. Have that humble attitude in your heart. If you do that, you are going to be really successful, Virgos. So let it be in this relationship or in your work situation. If you are humble, having humility in your heart, you are going to be successful and you are going to hold on to success for a long time. And in your situation today, maybe there is someone, maybe it may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe when it comes to responsibility, you love this person, you have a level of understanding, but with a deep commitment, you have some problems. You don't want to commit to them or they don't want to commit to you. So you just try to do things to avoid this person maybe leaving them, or you just want to have fun, not have that commitment. You don't want yourself to be tied down in any way. So you want a very a free relationship and not commitment. You just want fun and not commitment. So this may be your energy towards this relationship or their energy towards you. And in your situation, guys, certain things may go right, certain things may go wrong. So it may all be due to destiny. It can either be good luck or bad luck. But whatever is happening today, the way things are unfolding in your life, it may be destiny, guys. Destiny is the reason for things going in such a way in your life today. And you may be tasting success in a few things and failures in a few things. And you need not worry, because what is rightfully yours will always be yours, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Seven of Spheres. So with this card in your situation, guys, it just means that you need, maybe for some of you, in order to succeed in this relationship or do things in a better way, to see things in a better way, you have to take a break, maybe declutter or detox from this relationship. So whatever you need to give up, you need to do that now. So there are certain things, maybe certain things you want to speak to this person. You need to do it, guys. You need to speak your mind today, and only then you will declutter yourself in this relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Four of Moons in reverse. So in your work situation, guys, there is some kind of positive change, a new direction, or an unexpected gift or an offer coming your way that is going to simply change the way things are in your work situation, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So if you have any doubts or confusions in your mind, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it's from nothing to everything. So that is the card for y'all, guys. So with this card, it just means that today in your situation, in order to receive something fresh, new, and something great for you, something much better than your dreams or fantasies, you need to let go, maybe become empty. So we need space to receive something that is coming in our life, guys. This may mean letting go of the attachment you have towards your person in order to receive that genuine love that is coming towards you. And maybe you are holding on to your fantasy about a dream job, but today for that most soulful, passionate and successful occasion, you have to accept some guidance in your life today, guys. It just means that you need to take one day at a time, guys. Live one day at a time and maybe surrender the fantasy, dream or a story, whatever we have for ourselves, because reality is knocking at our door, and with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So what is the best? It will be better than our dreams or fantasies. So that is what is coming towards us. And maybe the dying of this dream or fantasy is really stressing us. It may be really painful, giving us a lot of grief. But dying to that attachment or the opinions we have, that is what is happening. And this is the time we can stop dreaming and start living. So that is what is unfolding in our life today. And we should not fear this process that is happening and embrace this process without expectation for future, and have trust in your heart that divine energy or God or universe, whatever you call it, is simply guiding you from fantasy into fulfillment, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, Let's see what is the card. It says withdraw. So, will this card, guys, in your situation? It just means that we need to see things differently. So, maybe we need time alone. Maybe. So, withdrawing does not mean breakup or trying to avoid that situation. It just means that we need a temporary disengagement from that circumstance in order to get clarity. So, when we have time alone, that rest gives us time for a better clarity in our situation and inner wisdom to discern all facts. So, you need to be really, if you want to be really clear about the way things are in your life and see things as it is for what it is in truth, you have to see it with a different perspective. See it as a third person. Only then you will be able to see your situation without being judgmental. Just observe your situation, allow thoughts to flow, and you will know what is the right thing or what is the right way to handle your situation, and you will have that guidance in your heart and insight into your circumstance, guys. So, whatever problems you are facing today in this relationship, you need, if you want that inner wisdom, you have to take time to think alone, guys. So, get that clarity. So, that is the energy with this angel guidance card here for you all, for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.